Compatibility is very important in life. It can make or break things. It's the same in healthcare. To optimize care for patients, we have to find the right match treatment for them. Hi, I am Dr. Hemant Unadkat, a clinician scientist from National Dental Centre, Singapore. Do you know 3 in 10 older Singaporeans are toothless due to infection or decay? This compromises their ability to chew, their long-term nutrition, and thereby the quality of life. So a lot of work in dentistry deals with devices and implants that are used to replace lost teeth or jawbone. But compatibility is the key. While devices and implants are rigorously tested before their use, each patient is unique, and not all devices and implants can be the right match for every patient. Case in point, dental implants. Typically made of titanium, implants are surgically embedded into the jawbone to replace a lost tooth. However, the surface texture of implants is not universal. Not much has been done to identify the right surface area, or what we call optimal topography, to make sure that the dental implant integrates well with the patient's soft tissue. Sometimes complications can arise and implant can fail, just like this guy's relationship. To address the issue of compatibility, my team and I created a chip called the Celompic chip. This chip is designed with 160 different surfaces. My team loads patient sample cells onto the chip and tests how they react to different surfaces. An indicator of a good match would be when the cells migrate at a good speed on a given surface and in a favorable direction. In a sense, the cells go on multiple dates, and the chip acts like Cupid to bring in potential matches. My team and I observe these dates in a lab and see which ones are going well and which ones aren't. In the case of dental implants, the date that is hit or true love match with the tissues that would surround the implant is identified and used to coat the implant surface. This ensures that the implant bonds well with patient's bones and tissues, and it will not fail, avoiding any painful complications. As they say, true love lasts forever. If we are able to promise a true love match that lasts, our patients do not need to worry about complications. This will reduce tremendous healthcare costs and improve our patients' quality of life. There are many other applications with this research beyond dentistry. The chip can be used to identify potentially any material or device to be implanted anywhere in the human body. The possibilities are just endless.